The Bible acknowledges that Christians will go through fire and through water. Fire and water are often used in the scriptures to denote calamity. Fire because it consumes, water because it overwhelms. But God declares that the water will not overwhelm you and the fire will not consume you. Why? God said, I will be with thee. At River Jordan, a pathway was made for the armies of Israel. God saved the three pious Hebrew children from Nebuchadnezzar's burning furnace. God is your protector. Of whom should you be afraid? If God be for you, who can be against you? What higher consolation can you desire than the assurance that God is with you to protect you? Shalom, Maranatha.